Hi everyone! I'm here in my veranda area again, and today I'm going to share you something about my succulents here. So let's take a look at the other succulents first before I start my sharing. So today it's already 6:30 in the morning and the sun is shining today and I'm so happy about it. So because it's always raining day and night here in my area in Silang, Cavite, and so the potting mix of my succulent is always wet. And I'm so happy that today the sun shining so bright at this time. But I'm pretty sure this evening or this afternoon it will rain again. So there's fungus already here in the marfin. So this is the one or common problem during rainy season here in my garden. I hope it can recover. So even my purple face is starting to have fungus and happy. So because they lack sunlight, so the pest keeps coming in. So actually, I have shared these succulents to you already. The one you're looking at screen. I just wanted to give you a preview before the real sharing that I will share today. So I'm so happy, so very happy because the sun is up, but their pots are totally soaking wet with the rain showers. But unfortunately, it's raining every day. So I'm just hoping for the sun to come up and look at this pretty yellow flower from my cactus. So beautiful. You are so beautiful. As you would see on the pot, it's shining so bright. The sun. Oh no, what happened to you, love and war? Look, so many black leaves. We have to remove it kasi it will contaminate the other leaves and it would not be good. So they are fine except for some. At least nobody leaves me today. And here are my aloes. I haven't cleaned them up because I'm too busy with my life right now. And look how the weeds grow so tall. They already invaded the path of my hybrid aloes. So I'll find time because I cannot do it when it's raining. So let me today I'm so busy also. So I just took a video. So let's go to my real cherry. So let's stop it first. So my real sharing is this one, the last pot that we have here in the brand area. So I just propagated this big, I mean long pot this, I think last month or 2 months ago. So I have here Captopetalum mirini, Captopetalum ellen, and we have Mendoza also. And beside it is I have another pot of Captopetalum ellen. So you can see my shadow because the sun is up. Look how shiny and so pretty. My Captopetalum ellen. And I am so proud that there's no much edema on it. Beside it is I have my Captopetalum Mendoza. Before it was so small. But now because they are getting too much rain, they become big and compact. So beside it is another pot of weeds. No, this is actually a pot of my Sedum clavatum, my oldest pot of Sedum clavatum. But the weeds are much lush, so I cannot remove it right now because the soil mix is wet. If I remove it, the Sedum clavatum will be uprooted and it might get root rot. So I'm waiting for it to dry. Although it's potted in a clay pot, its soil mix is really wet. So beside it is I have a pot of mirini with some Mendoza. So it's a combination actually. So at the back part more on Mendoza, but on the front part more on Captopetalum mirini. So the next pot is Sedum adolphi with a little stress color on it. And this one is my goose plant. And there's a weed also there. There, look at how well rooted is this weed. So beside it is I have my ghosty plant. So this ghosty plant have a different stress color and it has offset on the lower part. I got this one to propagate. And I have here the fire stick which was given to me by my friend Sis Jeremy. Hi Sis Jeremy! And a pot of cactus. And look at my Graptoveria morphine, or commonly called as pretty in pink. And the weeds are starting to grow. The results are very beautiful. It's compact in spite of not much sunlight that they get, but all rain showers throughout the day. And look at my pot of Florella. Look how lush is the weed. So I haven't cleaned up these pots for I think 3 weeks already. That's why it's like that. Because it's raining, I cannot find the right time to clean them up because it's always raining, drizzling. I don't want to get sick under the rain. And besides, I don't want to uproot them or remove the weeds because most of the time when I remove weeds when the soil is wet, the root is being disturbed, so there's a big possibility that they might they might have root rot. So this is my purple tree. See, there's also aphids and fungus. So beside it is I have my pot of Arunpei, another pot of Arunpei, my Sedum adolphi, my Sedum adolphi, my Sedum clavatum, another pot of clavatum. Mmm. Hmm. It really has a sweet candy smell. I love the smell of it, especially in the morning. It's very soft. So this is my airline. So it doesn't look beautiful compared to the other pot that I have showed. And this is my purple delight. This is my pot of weeds. Actually, it's purple delight was spotted there, but you cannot see them anymore because of the weeds. So beside it is my pot of Gymnocalcium, but it's a non-variegated one. Look how there are many flower buds on it. And beside it is my Darly Sunshine, and look, it has aphids and fungus already. See? And beside it is a pot of weeds. No. Sorry guys, my pot of succulents have lots of weeds. I was not able to clean them up for a month. So this is my ghosty and ghosty. And another pot of ghosty. And the last one is another pot of ghosty. So there are lots of leaf propagation because during summer, the stem got rotten. So I just collected the leaves. So they are easy to propagate, but they are prone to mealybugs also and stem rot. But they are so pretty when they are spread. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, do not forget to visit my main channel, Daffy Succulent and Cacti Lover. And I hope you do like my sharing for today. And see you on my next vlog. Bye bye. God bless us all. And happy gardening, everyone. Have a nice day ahead of us. And let's hope it will not rain today.